Hey everybody, Dustin Troyan here. I'm at Gary Wells' house and we're just messing around, and he said, hey, let's try to start the 1912 Oldsmobile Defender.
Take a couple minutes to prepare it, but that's
So
getting things turned on.
when's the last time you guys started this?
Before, was it a month ago?
Already 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
Always.
First time.
For the first time.
First time, yeah. And Andres adjusted everything and did the whole deal. And then it had never started the first crank, right? Wrong.
Wow.
So I was up here on the right side. I was gonna photograph it. I said, it's never gonna start on the first crank anyway. So I put the camera over there and he got a
Wow.
and no smoke, no nothing. That thing does the same thing.
Wow.
No smoke or anything. We've never started it ever. It had been sitting outside for.
I need you guys to come and work
25
on all my cars at my house.
Oh my God. But this one we're going to start campaigning.
Are you?
Yeah. First place we bring it to is you
I love it.
on a Saturday. And then the Sunday is the Chevrolet show.
Let's see if this gas is on. No.
Fuel line's open?
Let's see if we heat that. See if the pump works.
Exciting.
I
No.
hear something.
You got a fuel pump.
Hopefully there's gas. Oh yeah, it's a lot of gas.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oop,
Oh yeah.
I'm leaking in there.
That's a leaking. Let me give this some love tap.
Got it stuck open, huh?
Fixed for an old car. Boom, 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 boom. Thank God.
That shit was strong, man.
Thing hasn't been started. It was started once,
Oh,
6
that's-
months ago for the
smells-
first time in 5 years.
Yeah.
This will be the second time.
That guy, it smells pretty old.
Yeah.
The gas.
And it's old gas.
Varnish loves to start.
Huh?
Varnish loves to start.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see.
Varnish on wood is good. A carburetor, no.
You know what? I'm gonna get a hose and blow that plate air
Okay.
that out. Take two.
Ah,
So it's always fun walking around Gary's house because we're always doing something. And I think I've told you guys how much I love Gary because he does it his way. And there's my signature, 2015. God, time flies. And right now, what an honor. I'm the only guy on that wall. You know, I'm the only person on this wall right now, Gary.
huh?
I'm the only person that signed that wall right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
It's a little messy now. I'm trying to get things going and clean them up a little bit.
Wow, you work on stuff, you know, what are you gonna do?
Get it, It's just, when you get 100 some odd people coming over and they're paying the museum to go on a tour of your place, you want to have at least the dead things go on.
Yeah, but
clean them up and-
I'll tell you, of those 100 wonderful people that are coming to the house, my question is how many of them actually turn their own wrenches like you do? And not just
metaphorically.
not just changing oil, but I mean dive deep into builds like you do, and
Well,
you know, I
I'm-
come up and your belt sanding some metal down, and
Andreas is the mechanic. He is fantastic. Me, I do the body stuff and come up with weird ideas.
watch your
That's the fun of it. As a team, we get them done.
yeah. Well, you know, you could.
I'm gonna prime this
Here,
thing first.
stand
Oh,
up there.
here we go.
I'll prime it without any ignition.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Well, I'm gonna get mine going for the first time too. Last time I didn't do it. So last time I got
That's pretty tough.
nailed.
I'm gonna move this a little bit.
And if Kira's here, she'll get some photograph. Okay. Got a minute?
It's just
I want a
priming it.
photograph, I want a video. Boom. Here, I'll get out of here.
Okay.
Primed it a little.
Maybe.
Maybe. He's a master at this.
Let's see.
Uh,
Let's see now. Gotta get the right spot for it. Nope. Not today.
damn.
Cannot even turn.
That's this.
I hear the ignition.
Oh, God.
Oh, man.
All right, here we go. Little starter fluid in there.
Nope. Not enough balls, I guess. Not today.
Not today.
I'll clean the plugs, check them out, make sure they fire.
Did you play with the choke? It's got a little choke
Yeah,
on there.
there's a choke here, just so you can do it while you
Oh
crank.
wow. Okay. Oh yeah. There
Yeah.
you go.
And it's adjusted, and
Yeah.
yeah.
So
You don't
cool
just
the last
you
time.
don't just park it for 6 months and you wanna crank it and.
But you're Andreas. You can start anything.
Usually what time I can. The first time, didn't we pull it with something? No. Oh no, we started it here. Yeah, that was the first time. So, and we got plenty of fuel,
Oh, yeah.
I think.
Plenty of at least 5-6-year-old fuel.
No, we drained it. It probably has some new fuel.
Yeah.
You wanna give it a pull? Hold on. It does it in the last, yeah, in this quarter. Maybe it needs a little bit. Hold on, let me.
No timing.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Oh!
And it's cold, you know? Yeah. We'll try that.
Last try. I tried turning the crank down there, and you got to be in shape to turn that thing. So
Yeah.
Andreas is going to give it a whirl.
We turn the ignition on, so we don't waste our efforts. That's how the way it should work.
Whoa!
Almost. Let me give it little gas. That.
Notice the bilious clouds of smoke? No.
I'll pull the choke this time. I'll give it a little bit of extra juice. That helped last time. Where's the can?
Over there.
Over here.
No, I've been working on my Power Stroke diesel at home, and I think turning this by itself is harder than everything I've been doing
You
on the
got
truck.
luckily you got a starter motor on that one.
Yeah. Yeah, you hear the compression coming out.
I didn't know I have those little
Yeah.
feeders. But if it's running all the time, it probably starts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So a bit of choke, bit of gas, not much, and don't touch it when it starts. Ignition
Here we go.
and prime.
Here we go, right here. This is the one. Unbelievable.
Can you imagine this thing is 113 years old? Hasn't run literally, we know of at least 5 and probably 10 or 15 years.
Accelerator and ignition timing.
What do you keep messing with down here?
Fuel pump. Just to give it an extra, make sure the fuel goes to it. It has to flow from here to there.
Oh!
Ran out of fuel.
Unbelievable.
So look at that belt.
Wow.
It literally is a belt.
Yeah. See,
Oh, you were leaking a little again right here.
Okay, so that's it. So no, that's the trick.
You think just the little seals in here need to swell back up?
No, the pump overtakes the float pressure.
Oh, it comes
so it just drips. That's why you just don't run it all the time.
Gotcha.
Because it should be just gravity, and the pump has like 3 or 4 psi pushing through the needle valve.
Gotcha. Unbelievable.
So, yeah.
This might be one of the oldest cars I've ever heard run.
Yeah, probably.
Always an adventure when you're with Gary and Andreas. So cool.
And when you run out of juice, you take a hit of that.
Yeah.
Actually, what I'll do, probably put some gasoline here and do a
Did we
little
put that
pouring.
in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way you prime it.
Wow. Love it.
And this is the ignition switch, so it could be on start. And there's a magneto, voltage coil assisted there, and then when you turn it to run that way, it's just pure magneto.
Wow.
You know what the difference is?
What's the difference?
On the provenance, that proved that Barney Oldfield drove that car.
Okay.
We don't know who drove this car, but whoever it was, when they bought it, it had the sport racing body of the time on it. It's got everything, the best of whoever it was, put the best of everything. You see these? Brass and copper. And the headlights, hell, they cost more than half a dozen cars. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable, the thing. It's just, you got a little dent here, so I put a butterfly on it, but that's,
Unbelievable.
it's unbelievable though, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when you tell somebody it's got that kind of compression, they go, come on, little
Oh, listen, I could barely turn it. Right?
Yeah, no, it's
3-liter engine.
Yeah, I could barely turn it. Unbelievable. Always fun at Gary's house.
and this thing runs too.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah?
It makes a really loud noise.
Oh, I believe that. And what exactly is this?
Pulse-pad engine from a fire truck.
Let's
Yeah.
go into Rolls chassis.
Yeah, it's a whole Scott 590. That's what they call it.
5 by 5. 5 inch around and 5 inches wide.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
This
what
is
year?
the one the firemen loved to drive because it would get really hot
Okay.
And then they would see a bunch of people down at the corner, and they would go on down there and they'd cut it down. And then just as they're going around the corner, they'd hit it, and it'd go boom, bam, boom.
And what year is this?
51 or 2, I think.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Had its own compressor. We took the air compressor. We took
Gonna
it
go on
out.
that chassis over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You need an air compressor for your car.
Wow. We got another one over here.
That's the chassis it's going. Late 30s.
And firewall is going back, obviously. Engine's gonna be 50 here. It'll be pretty tall. Might have to raise the radiator.
Mm.
And then 5-speed gearbox.
Oh wow. Freeway racer.
Yeah. Which give it a bit of a, almost, you know, like a 60% weight in the front, which would be good.
They're beautiful. The bodies, don't even care. The chassis were so beautifully made, and the extra work that went into doing these is just absolutely amazing.
Right.
You know, they really are great pieces.
Unbelievable. You know, this is one of the reasons why Gary Wales is one of the coolest guys in the car community. There's just nobody like him. I always say that, but it's the truth. It's the absolute truth.
Gonna be wild. I'm getting this one ready for Memorial Day. I'm
Oh, for the parade?
Gonna lead the parade with the Rear Admiral, so I think I'll
Nice.
wear
Yeah,
my Navy hat.
Love it. Another great thing.
All right. Stuff coming.
I'm gonna sign off, throw this video together for later. But another great day seeing my friends in the car world. There's nobody like Gary.
Thank you.
No Garys to love Gary. Source of inspiration right here.